Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Gemini on your Android phone, or at least limit it as much as possible. Let's get started. First, open your Google app. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap to open it. Now, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings, then look for an option labeled Gemini. Go ahead and open that. Inside the Gemini settings, you'll see several toggles that control how it interacts with your phone. Now here's the thing, you can't completely remove Gemini, but you can limit how much it does. Scroll down and look for digital assistants from Google. Tap it, and instead of Gemini, you can switch back to the classic Google Assistant. Just hit switch to confirm. Next, scroll to the option that says Gemini on lock screen. Turn this off so Gemini won't activate when your phone is locked, which can be pretty annoying sometimes. This makes sure it stays quiet until you actually want to use it. You can also adjust how Gemini responds during live chats. There's a toggle for interrupt live responses. You can turn it off to keep Gemini from jumping in mid-conversation. It's up to your preference. You can keep it on or off depending on how you use the assistant. Now, if you really want to go further, you can try force stopping the Gemini app. To do that, open your phone settings, scroll down, and tap apps. In the search bar, type Gemini. If it appears in the list, tap it. Then tap force stop at the bottom of the screen. This pauses Gemini completely until it's launched again. Keep in mind though, this option may not show up on every phone. Some models hide it by default. And that's it. That's how you can limit or turn off Gemini on your Android phone. It's not a full removal, but these steps give you more control over when it appears. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Android tips.